Hey everyone, it's me, Megs, and I'm back with a personality unit, aka wig, and I've been on a protective style kick because I am growing my hair out. And this unit I've been loving by Myfirstwig, and this one is very special in particular. So let me get into telling you why. So again, this unit is by Myfirstwig. I've been a long wearer of this brand for many years, and I do enjoy that they made some improvements. It came with a dust bag for storage and travel, and of course, the details on this info card. All the info about this wig will also be down in the description below. It came with some shampoo and conditioner, and of course, if you are a wig beginner, it came with some very essential tools that you may need. Okay, so my favorite is always their combs that Myfirstwig provides. I absolutely love these combs, and I was very impressed with this wig cap because it was darker in color, which matched my skin tone a lot better, and these alligator clips to section off the hair when you want to blend the lace, and flyaway tamer. Okay, so I'm really appreciative of all of this, and an elastic band to help you melt that lace. So all the essential things you need for your first time wig application if you are new to wigs. So that's what I do appreciate about Myfirstwig units. It comes with everything you need, at least mine did. So this texture of this bob is indeed the Yaki texture, and this is a glueless invisible lace front wig. The color is a natural color, and the hair origin is Indian hair. The cap construction is 13x6 at 160 density. I love this texture because it mimics relaxed, blown out hair. So I was really excited about this. So what was really interesting, this hairline is 4C natural edges, and that's what I really appreciate about this wig, because I was like, whoa, this really gives a really nice natural look, because I tend to struggle with, blending the lace, making sure the hairline looks very natural. So I was super excited about trying something different with the pre-plucked lace and the deep bleached knots in lace. So I really appreciated that. I really like that I don't have to take extra time with tweezing the hairline because it's already giving very much so natural. And the cap construction is really nice. I've noticed, the major improvements that this brand has made when it comes to their units. So this one is a good one, okay? So it does come with two combs at the front of the wig here. And of course, there is a comb at the back with adjustable straps, as well as lace in the back if you did want to put the hair up. And I do like that this does have an elastic band to adjust to make sure for extra security. I'm very impressed with the bleach job that was done on this unit. It's very clean. I noticed that there wasn't any bled bleach on this unit, which was fire. So I am gonna flat iron this hair with some 𝐏𝐫𝐞-𝗠ঁ, which is my favorite thing to use on my units, and I'm just gonna apply that in sections very lightly, and I'm gonna use my flat iron on 410 degrees, and I'm just gonna run a quick iron through small sections on this unit. All it required was one pass, which is my kind of wig, because I don't like wigs that require a lot of maintenance and a lot of prep work. So this was ideal for me, especially with this texture. It only required one pass to do a cute little bump, like a light bump, not a heavy bump, just a light bump when it comes to bobs. So I was able to get through this unit pretty quickly. I did wash and condition this unit prior to flat ironing it, and I feel like that does also give the hair a much flowier look, in my opinion. So I did wash and condition this hair with Olaplex this time around, just to give me an extra little swang when it comes to my unit here. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to bump and go through this unit with a light bump at the ends, and move forward with bumping the ends a little bit more, just to make sure everything is really nice and uniform. And I did really appreciate with this unit, the cut is very clean. They have really made some great improvements with, how their units look and the construction, and how clean the cuts are with the ends, especially when it comes to a bob. Look at all that bounce and body and shine. I really appreciate it. And I haven't worn this texture before, the Yaki texture, so I was very impressed. I liked it. So I actually did comb out the hairline just a little bit, but as you can see, the 4C edges are giving a very nice, natural, realistic look. Say, for example, you could actually leave this like this, or you can actually press it a little bit. But as you can see, it has a really nice pre-plucked hairline, and I didn't really have to do much really at all when it comes to having to make this look natural. So I am going to run a light hot comb through the edges just for a little more sleek look, but I really like that this really mimics relaxed hair. With this 4C edges, it's also giving very much so silk press, which I do appreciate. So I'm just going to continue to press the hair going back with this hot comb and just making sure that I flatten out the top for a nice clean look. And I'm not a baby hair girl, so I'm just going to leave it like that. So I'm going to take a little bit of Sebastian Shaper Plus, which is my favorite hairspray, especially when using it on my personality units. It just creates a really nice, soft, natural hold. And boom, as you can see here, it's giving what it's supposed to give. And I really love that the hairline is so natural to where I don't need to create baby hairs. I'm not a baby hair girl. So this really mimics very natural hairline look, very clean, very effortless. And I chose to press out the edges just a little bit, and I absolutely love the 4C edge look. It looks so natural because typically from this brand, I wear their silky textures, but I think I'm going to make the switch and actually stick to their Yaki because it looks so much more natural than I feel like the silky texture. So I've been keeping my hair in twists because I am growing my hair out, and look y'all, my hair is getting longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on this cap that Myfirstwig provided. I really love that it's darker in color. You can do the bald cap method with this unit and it can really be slaying, but I don't wear my wigs for a really long time. But I'm excited about this. Yeah, I tend to take my wigs off at night, you know, oil my scalp, moisturize my hair, and things like that. So I don't typically wear mine for extended amounts of time, okay? But I'm loving how this is looking. It's giving natural. It's giving natural. It's giving, is this your hair? I wore this unit to an event, and my sister got in the car. She's like, wait, did you cut your hair again? I'm like, girl, no, it's a wig. She's like, shut up. So I love this unit, and it's giving natural. I'm loving it so far, but in this video, I had to make sure I actually liked this unit before I cut the lace. And I'm liking how flowy it is. I'm loving the cut. I just love bobs, period. So I felt comfortable to cut this lace because at that moment, I realized that I like this unit. This one's a winner. This one's a winner. And it's giving very much so work appropriate too. Like you can put this on for work and be cute, you know. So when I cut my lace, I kind of do it in like zigzag jagged edge look because it just gives more of a natural look. If I were to wear this glueless, which is how I tend to wear my units majority of the time, but I am going to use this olive oil wig grip spray by Organic Root Stimulator, or aka ORRUS, and I just do a couple pumps at a time when applying this to my lace because I don't want to over glue it because I do remove my wigs at night to sleep. But this wig grip spray hands down has to be my favorite because it really helps melt the lace into my skin because I am darker, and the lace just really melts so effortless with this wig spray, and it doesn't give me flashback because that's so important because I go to events and you don't want that embarrassing lace flashback look. And with this wig, I did not have that. So I am going to go ahead and let that sit. As far as the melting goes with the elastic band, I let it sit for about 20 minutes. And I was shook because I was like, wait a minute, I'm melted without the effort. Because, you know, sometimes these wigs can be a bit tricky, but this wig was really easy to apply and to blend with my skin tone. So I really like this unit. Like, I had joy in my spirit with this unit. So I was like, oh, this one's a keeper. It's really giving natural. So yes, y'all, I really like this, like a lot. And what I also love is that it didn't require me to apply a lot of spray glue because I typically don't like to use glue. So I'm just going to do some finishing touches, making sure the top is nice and flat. And I'm just loving this so much. And I really, in my opinion, I didn't really have to put a lot of concealer on this hair at all. I really didn't put on any concealer in the parts because the lace was bleached so well. I felt like it was just enough. It didn't really need any concealer at all. But the texture of this hair was really nice and flowy. It wasn't stiff, and The hairline with the 4C edges is so natural. I will definitely say this is very beginner friendly for sure, or just low maintenance friendly. And you know what? I'm actually not even mad at the side part. But I wanted to see what the middle part would give because I'm more of a middle part girl. And I actually went to an event this week and I decided to middle part it. And it gave. I was like, oh, this is cute too. So you can either do a side part or a middle part. And my sister, when I picked her up, she was like, I really thought this was your hair. I thought you cut your hair again. So this is going to hold me over so I won't have that itch to cut my real hair. I'll just put this wig on and really enjoy the bob look that I really enjoy. So it's very you know, flowy, has a lot of movement to it, and it's like stiff wear, not here. So if you do have any questions, feel free to ask me, and all the information about this glueless wig will be down in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and stick around to watch more of my protective style videos using Myfirstwig units here right on my channel. And I'll see you guys later.